Hey guys, my name is Patrix, and today I'll be showing you how to set any song or sound as your ringtone or text tone on your iPhone. Now, I'm using iOS 18, but this same process should be the same or very similar on iOS 17 and iOS 16. This process is completely free and without the need of tweaking your iPhone with a jailbreak or anything like that. Now, I'm going to show you how to do it from MP3 files that you've downloaded onto your iPhone already. But this can also be done with songs in your music library or sound effects or loops already found in the app we're going to use today. As a side note, there are many sources for sound or music files. I'm not going to cover that process in this video, but leave a comment below if you'd like me to do a video that covers the various methods of finding and using music files online. Anyway, for this video, we're going to use the free app with every iPhone called Garageband. You should already have Garageband on your iPhone. Open the app and you'll see the home screen. Scroll to Audio Recorder. Click on Audio Recorder and you'll see a prompt. Click OK. Next, go to the top left corner and click the grid icon to open a blank space. Make sure you turn off the metronome to avoid annoying clicking sounds. Then click the loops icon in the top right to import your song. If the music you have is in your music library, then click on the Music tab, scroll through your music, select the song you want to use, and drag it onto the timeline. For this video, I'm going to select an MP3 file that I've downloaded into a folder in Files. So we'll go back one screen and select the Files tab. But also note that there is an Apple Loops where you'll find various sound effects. Okay, so in the Files tab, you can navigate to your MP3 file. Select the music file you want to use and drag it onto the timeline. After importing your music file, click on the plus icon and set it to 30 bars, which equals 30 seconds, the maximum length for a ringtone. You can make your ringtone shorter if you want by trimming it on the timeline. Also, it is likely that the music file is longer than 30 seconds, so you can trim and find just the segment of the music that you want to use. Use the play button to preview it. Once you're satisfied, tap the arrow in the top left and select My Songs and save it. Then hold the song, select Share, and choose Ringtone. If the song is over 30 seconds, click Continue, and it will export as a ringtone. You can rename it again here if needed. After it exports, it will be available in your iPhone settings under Sounds and Haptics, Ringtone. You can also use it for text tones or assign different ringtones and text tones for various contacts. So that's how easy it is to set any music or sound as your ringtone or text tone on your iPhone without a computer or jailbreak. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.